I currently work as an investment banking analyst. I enrolled in a class just to get the skills that is required for me to be a good analyst and to help me advance my career. Hi, my name is Lukman Bello. I work with Coronation Merchant Bank as an investment banking analyst. I got to learn about it from LinkedIn. A friend shared the link to me actually, and I saw it as a very good opportunity to learn about financial modeling. And since it was a scholarship opportunity, it was one I didn't want to miss. And I joined the first cohort then. Yes, it was something, a very key thing that I wanted to learn, which was financial modeling. Right from being someone that studied finance, I knew that financial modeling skill is something I need for my career. So seeing the huge opportunity to not just learn but also get certified as a financial modeler was something that was key to me in deciding to take up the opportunity, and that was why I went for the financial modeling academy. My experience in the academy was a really great one, being that the class was practical based, unlike some things that you get online elsewhere. So it was practical based. We had to go over a real company finances to build a model for it. So it was one that was very practical and was great for me. So I love the fact that it was a real company we're modeling. So that helped a lot to in building assumption and getting a good knowledge of financial modeling. And yes, my expectation was met because what I was expecting is to get confidence in how to build a model. And yes, with what we did in class, it really helped me in building that confidence. I currently work as an investment banking analyst. I enrolled in a class just to get the skills that is required for me to be a good analyst and to help me advance my career as an investment banker. That having gained the certification now, even right from class, when I mentioned to my colleague that I was learning how to build a model, he gave me more opportunity to work on things that relate to financial modeling. So I'm being trusted more at work now with things that relate to financial modeling. I'm being given models to work on now, not like before. So it has helped me in terms of building confidence at work and getting to do more as it relates to modeling at work going forward. And like I said, I aim to continue on this my current career path of being an investment banker. Financial modeling is something that is key to the success of any investment banker. So I believe going on this skill will not be just critical for me in where I am now, but in moving up the ladder in my career path.